Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Kieske here. This will be my first video of my game development. Actually, this will be the first video that I'm making for this channel or whatever. I have another channel which I'll probably link soon. It's where I do a lot of art type stuff at or whatever. But this channel right here is just going to be mainly talking about game design. Well, mainly the game design that I do or that I'm into. So right now, just kind of just covering like mostly Adobe Flash right now. So I'll be showing some, design processes and like stuff like that. And also I've been in kind of a couple other hangouts with, some gamers in the gaming community. It's pretty cool, man. I mean, I like it. It's fun. So actually, right here, what I was doing right in this game right here. Basically, this is a simple casual game. It's not even really any negatives, so you really don't lose. You really don't lose. It's just collecting coins, and that's it. It's just a little simple game that I'm putting up for free on the app market. But then also, I'm making a few games that I'm gonna put on other markets as well, and those will be, normal games that have a game over. You can die or really challenging and stuff. But for right now, this is just a pretty simple game, and I'll run it. So basically, I'll make this bigger. So basically, all you really do is just move left and right. Oh, I clicked off it. Yeah, just move left and right, and just collect as many coins as you can. That's it. I mean, it's easier to control on the phone, but it's just a like nice little interactive thing. So basically, uh, the coins are being created. I don't know if I can show the top fully. Yeah, I can't show the top. The coins are being created above this line here on the y-axis. It's like minus 40 on the y-axis. So they're created just before they enter the screen. And I think I can go down. And if you look down the bottom, see, they're deleted when, they pass the screen. Because you don't want the system will still be telling those images to still that they're still there. The more particles you make, the more it lags the system. And I mean that's any game that you do. If you create too many particles, it could just be just one pixel. If you create like at least like a million or so damn particles, eventually it will start lagging the computer no matter how strong it is. So yeah, it's deleting the coins as it passed. I think that was like the Y was like 360 or something like that. See, at the top left is the top left is 00, and if you go down on a Y, it pluses, and down here it's just like the size of the game is 320 in height. So if you go down 320, going down, you get down here, it's like 320s at the bottom. And it's passing that, so I just deleted them when it was a little bit off the screen. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the basket, the basket has a hitbox on it. So whenever it hits the basket, off it again. Whenever it hits the basket, it deletes it. And this is the code for it. So where it hits the basket, right here where it says coin that hit text object and avatar dot bucket. See that shows if it hits the bucket, it hit test object. Hit the button. If the coin hits the bucket, it basically plays the sound and deletes the bucket. Basically, that's all it really does. So, and this right here is for your direction of right and left. Makes your character move right and left. And it says if the avatar or the character basically, it's called the avatar. That if the X of it is less than 150, because the length of the screen from left to right is 200, and if it's less than 150, so you can't go off the screen. And the opposite way is the avatar is greater than 20 because the beginning of the screen is 0, so you don't want it to go past that. So you keep it at like 20. And all right, that's the code there. And let me zoom out again. So like when I run it, if I move it, see, she doesn't go off the stage. Yep. And the coin number that's going up there is basically a variable. And every time you collect a coin, the variable goes up. So I'll be posting a lot more videos explaining um, programming a lot more in depth as as we go along. I wonder if I have any recent videos that may be a little interesting. This one is another just casual game, but this game has a story sequence in it, and also the character doesn't animate. This is casual, so it's not really in-depth animation, but the only thing that animates is the sword. So it's a casual Android game. Um, but like as before, the sword has a hit detection on it. So whenever you hit the monsters, they you just delete them off the screen. And it has night and day. As you see, the sun and the moon is going up and down. And this is the story sequence in the middle. It's all pixel. I draw in pixel a lot to save time. I mean, I can draw a big too, but the bigger I draw, the more time it takes. And, I really don't want to take a lot of time, especially when it's just me by myself. Mainly, not me by myself, because my wife helps me too. Yeah. Yeah. The, and then another sequence. Just basically simple movie clips. Simple little gameplay that, people will find fun. Well, mainly for kids, really. Alright, I guess the cursor is not moving, so it ran into a slight error, I think. I don't know where the error is. I had to figure out where the error is. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this round. I'll just title this Android Game Development 1. I'll come back with some more videos soon to show y'all some more interesting things. And I mean, I look forward to more videos. And if y'all get a chance, man, just keep tabs on me, keep coming back, checking me out, and you'll see more. All right, everybody. I will check you guys out later.